Hello everyone. So in today's tutorial I will be sharing with you how to make wavy pixel stretch effect in Canva. So without wasting time, let's get started. So in this tutorial I will be using a YouTube thumbnail as a canvas. So let's type in here. And let's choose a brand thumbnail. And for this tutorial I will be using this running image, this one, for this tutorial. So let's bring it to canvas by just a single click. So you have to make a 3 duplicates of this image. So let's make it. Let's make duplicate number 1. Let's keep it here, and duplicate number 2. So it is done. 3 duplicates. So for the first duplicate we will be making this wavy pixel effect, pixel stretch, and for the second one we will be making this rainbow texture. So let's start with this wavy pixel stretch. So let's go to effects. So let's quickly scroll down to find the pixelate option and just click here to find this pixel one. Click here and click it to change the horizontal and vertical pixel quantities. Let's bring it down to 1, and for vertical pixel let's increase it to 200. Now let's apply it. Okay, so click it outside the canvas so that this effect get adjusted, and now click it again, go to effects again, scroll down to find this liquify option, click on see all and click on wobble here. Click on it and just click it to adjust size and effects. Let's see which one looks good. So let's keep it this way and let's adjust it with our image. Okay, so let's see if it's getting adjusted or not. Let's bring forward. Okay, this looks good. Let's bring it slightly down. Okay, so now this looks good, and now let's make it the rainbow effect. So quickly click on here and go to effects again. So one thing I want to share before I do the next effect is that if you don't find any of the effects in this panel here, you can always find it in here. You may also like option, and you can just click on any of it. Just if I want to bring it in this style transfer, I'll just click it and click on connect here, and this will show in my panel. So in this way you can do it. And if you are liking our tutorials, please subscribe to the channel so that we can bring on new tutorials, and we also get motivation with your subscribe and your comments about how you like the tutorial or not. So let's make the next tutorial, this rainbow effect here. So let's come to glitch and click on trace, and clicking here you can adjust the brightness and all, but here I want to adjust the amount. Okay, so I have set the amount, and now let's bring it here. But the problem, as you can see, it also changes the background to white color which is not transparent as we have seen in the PNG image. So what you have to do, you have to send it to back and your effect is done. As you can see, your effect is perfectly aligned and ready for usage. So in this tutorial you have learned how to make wavy pixel stretch effect in Canva easily with rainbow effect in the background. Hope you liked the tutorial and please subscribe to the channel so that we can bring new tutorials, and if you want to learn any specific tutorial, please let us know in the comment section so that we can also share with you. And if you face any problem in any of the tutorial, please message us so that we can solve the problem with immediate effect. Thank you. Stay tuned.